Hi everyone, so for this time around, I'm creating a wig with the Outre Purple Pack Brazilian hair. I got it in 18, 20, and 22 inches. It comes with a three-way part closure, and I'm sewing this on my wig cap, on my wig head in order for it to lay down flat. And then I'm going to do this part on my head. I'm going to glue it onto the wig cap, and this allows me to customize the wig more to my head shape and my head size. Please remember, if you're going to try this, to put a shower cap on your real hair to protect the hair from the glue. And yes, just go ahead and place all the pieces to your head going up horizontally. Just measure it in pieces, that fits your size from left to right. And yeah, what I did is I just placed my blow dryer on cool in order to dry the pieces. And before I finished everything, I did cut the wig cap directly only underneath the closure. This last step is optional. If you have a hooded dryer, it will speed up the drying time. And yes, I placed it on cool. All right, so this is the finished product. I have finished my wig. I let it sit under the dryer on cool for about half an hour while I was just fixing some things around the house. So it is definitely long. If you want, you can cut it. I'm not gonna cut it. I like it like this for now. Maybe over time I might, trim it a little bit. I'll try and put the details, like a link to the hair if I can, in the description box down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn around so you can see the back. I really like how it turned out. I'll put some pictures up on my Instagram, so definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see some more pictures, just to get a better feel of how it looks. But yeah, I really do like this hair. There's another wig that I think it's very similar to this one that I had before, but it's just not as long, and it just didn't look quite the same, but very similar. But I do like these, like the color too, like the dark roots and how it goes into blonde, and the thickness. I really do like this style of wig. So I'm definitely going to see if I can get more of this hair and create more. I might even start selling it, like making wigs. I'm not sure, but definitely subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you're interested in hearing more from me. So let me just come up close so you can see the hairline. So I put some powder underneath. I just put like my regular L'Oreal powder True Match, just so it would look more scalp-like underneath. I just put it on. I just put like some bobby pins at the back just to secure the wig. Definitely, if you wanted to put it up in a ponytail, something like that, you could do that too. No problem. This way. Yeah, I think there's like another part here. If you wanted, you could part it to the left, I think. Yeah, because there's a part right there. If you want, you can just part it like that. As well. That's what's really cool about this wig too. You can part it like this way too one day. It's not always like on the one middle part. I sprayed on some leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature. I just sprayed it on a little bit on the top just to make it look more neat and just to tame those flyaways. There's not really any flyaways, but just to make it look a little bit more polished. I think this one is a really great option. I really do like it. It's very like glamorous, and I think it looks more natural because I have more like thicker 4C hair. But yeah, so all in all, I really like how this wig came out. I think it's really voluminous. I really do like this hairstyle. I'll be giving an update in a couple of weeks to let you know how it's holding up. But yeah, so far so good. Yes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you're interested in hearing more from me. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new one. And yes, definitely take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.